In the previous video, we built our first front-end project, a simple profile page. It already works and we added some basic styling. In this video, we are not redoing any of that. We are going to make the code a bit more structured and then add our first interaction using JavaScript. This is what we currently have. Nothing is broken. Now let's slowly build on top of this. We already have this div. Now I am adding something called a class. A class is just a name we give to a section so CSS can target it. That's all you need to know for now. Now CSS knows exactly which part of the page we are styling. This is why classes exist, to add structure as things grow. Now I am adding an empty paragraph. Right now it does nothing, and that's okay. We are adding it because JavaScript will need a place to show something. In front end, we often add elements not for styling but for behavior. Here I am adding something called an ID. An ID helps JavaScript find a specific element. Think of it like giving it a unique name. Now JavaScript is listening for a click. When the button is clicked, we put text inside that empty paragraph. That's why we added it earlier. This is front-end becoming interactive. We didn't rewrite the page. We didn't add a lot of code. We just added structure and behavior. That's real progress. This is how front-end development actually works. Small improvements, one step at a time. In the next video, we will clean this up further and organize our CSS properly. If this approach helps you, consider subscribing. Let's build front-end faster.